Like, what's damn annoying is the fact that bad films have sequels.
Yeah.
It's like bad branding also has sequels. I mean,
It's like Janam Janam ka saath hai.
it's like Koi Mil Gaya, Krish and Krish 3 had this one particular brand backing them up full time. It was like almost like, you know, they had
Janam Janam ka saath.
exactly Janam
Exactly.
Janam Ka.
नॉट ओनली दैट मूवीज में तो है, गानों में तो है ही है, आजकल रियलिटी शोज में भी इट्स लाइक बाय माय प्रोडक्ट और आई एम गोना शूट यू.
Which
I
brand
don't know.
is this?
I don't know who does
It's
that.
like some gunpowder brand.
No, it's like so कि नहीं खरीदना ही खरीदना खरीदना.
Yeah, but that I've seen like they go like और ये थी मेरी तैयारी जीत की.
सबको मालूम है ना रियलिटी शोज आर अ सेल आउट वैसे भी बट देन व्हेन इट कम्स टू मूवीज ठीक है आई विल गिव इट फॉर अ रियलिटी शो, ठीक है you're a सेल आउट, तुम्हारे खून में लिखा है, बट व्हेन यू गो टू मूवीज एंड देन व्हेन इट्स लाइक लिटरली थ्रोन इन माय फेस आई एम लाइक
Yeah, even before the movie start, like how
Yeah.
they brand the national anthem. I mean, like, you know,
Like this. So even Hrithik Roshan and Kahuna Pyare, like since then only he's been doing this. So like he's doing that that song on stage and he's doing that wave of his and everything.
what wave is that, Prabhuth?
So he's doing that and then there's like a brand like right there, like it's bigger than Hrithik Roshan.
Which
What?
brand is this?
It's a
It's
cola,
a cola
brand.
brand. But in
I'm
Kahuna
gonna break
Pyare,
you.
it was done
There is
very
a-
subtly compared to Bang Bang.
हाँ.
Bang में तो
Yeah, true.
it was like as
True.
he said it was a 2.5 hour commercial. वहाँ पे तो 30 seconds का था.
Which brings us to the next point: branding in scripts.
In scripts.
So I don't have a problem if the brand or the branding is done within the script. I mean, if it's
Okay.
woven into the script, it's completely fine. And
Like-
if it's tastefully done, like I found it funny when in Chennai Express, he throws out that particular phone brand outside and he goes, I paid this much amount of money for that phone. I mean, even though it says what phone it is and how much it costs.
so like back in the day in the 90s when we were all young and energetic,
When you were young
When
and you were
I
born,
heard
yeah.
the-
I was a child and you were young.
when I was all young and energetic, they still had branding, but it was done like नाच रहे हैं सारे और मतलब it's a scene जहाँ I don't know रास्ते के बीच में नाच रहा है, so the hoardings or the names of the shops would have suiting shirting brand or something like that. I noticed it, I saw it, but now with I think because everything is so cluttered and there are so many brands and there's so many associations happening, so it has to be thrown in your face. It has to be said, देखो ये oh,
I think
Even-
it's the scriptwriters face that kind of pressure from the producers
Yeah,
because
I'm
sure.
the advertisers will put that much amount of pressure.
sure.
There's like, if you don't name my brand, I'm going to pull out now, and it'll just be before they can.
You think
finish.
that-
अच्छा ठीक है यार चलो लिख लेते हैं हाँ
But
right.
You think the scriptwriters also go through many drafts? So it's one toothpaste brand, then they change,
हाँ.
then it goes
No,
second
you know what I
toothpaste brand.
think is that the celebrity who's endorsing the brand na, mostly they have those brands only in the movie.
Yeah.
No, mostly they have to have those brands only, the one they've endorsed. They can't not have the other one. Like they can't do the other brands.
Maricom in itself had like 3 brands inside, and the
Maricom-
dialogues used to describe them is epic.
Do you think the scriptwriter goes through many drafts as new marketers, new advertisers come in? You think the scriptwriter goes, this toothpaste brand has pulled out, cancel. Oh ho, this cola brand has pulled out, cancel. Do you think the scriptwriter goes through many drafts just
Because
for
of
that?
No, I
Just
think
for
it's
that.
like with that toothpaste brand, no, add this cola brand somehow. It's like they try so hard to put in the brands that they end up with a 2.5 hour ad, like you said, of that particular brand or more brands. It's like the filmmaker knows my script is gone. Anyways, flop of the year. So let
That
me
doesn't
try and
make
make
money.
some money of these guys who think that this film is actually going to be watched by more than 6-7 people.
But then he makes the money.
He makes the money. The only person who doesn't make the money
Is us. Because we go, we pay the tickets and we go and we
True.
watch it and we kill ourselves.
after Top Gun, Tom Cruise increased the sales of aviators by 500 million thousand. It just went through the roof, and even today, it's still
Even
there.
today, it's
Yeah.
still, yeah.
I mean, like you just can't debate the fact they do make money off of it.